Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Switzerland, and today I'm going to show you the first details of the all-new Peugeot 308 SV. So this is the estate version. Right next to it we have the hatchback, but the focus of this video is of course the estate, and compared to the predecessor it is longer but also lower. It looks so much more sporty and definitely an eye-catcher on the road. So first thing you notice are the new LED lights with this beautiful daytime running LEDs. Really recognizable on the road. We also have the massive front grille, just look at this, with the new badge. So the 308 is the first model to get the new badge. I really am a big fan of it. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? We have the GT pack here, which means you have a bit of a different front grille with this chrome inserts. Nice minimalistic 308 lettering here, gorgeous color. I'll go through the specs in a moment, but tell me in the comments, how do you like the design of this new generation model? I really think they nailed it with this one, especially since we have a lot of room inside and also a huge trunk. So I'll talk about that in a moment. Now let's check out the specs. So this is the plug-in hybrid. There are various options available, and this one has 180 horsepower in total. Also we have the GT pack. This is the equipment, the price in Swiss francs. Yeah, here it is, and well, yeah, that's pretty much it. You can pause the video to see all of the options. We have the 18-inch wheels. Actually, I will show you the wheels right now. There they are. Actually, let's check out this wheel. So these are the beautiful dual tones. So we have the gloss black and gray color. Also, we have the new badge in the middle. Tires, Michelin 225 40 R18. And let me show you the car from this angle. I mean, it really looks gorgeous for an estate, among the best looking estates on the market right now, if you ask me. And the wheelbase is a bit longer compared to the hatchback, so a lot of room. We also have the gloss black roof rails. And yeah, well, at the back, horizontal LED lights with this special design, special signature. Once again, new badge, hybrid. And yeah, well, this really looks awesome. And let me now show you the trunk. So we have the electric tailgate. We also have the rear view camera here. So you press this, it opens, square shape, huge amount of room, and you can really fit a large amount of things in here. Some additional room for your cables maybe. The net. This is to fold the rear seats. Then you have the flat bottom and really huge amount of room. 12-volt power supply is here. Once again, the lever to pull down the seats and knock down the seats actually. And when you press it, once again, it closes, greets us with nice new badge. And let's talk about the diffuser, gloss black finish. I love that part, but I don't like this chrome part here. Looks like fake exhaust, but yeah, I think the real one is somewhere down there. Anyway, tell me in the comments, how do you like the exterior? Now it is time to check out the interior. Overall length is 4.64 meters, and now let's explore the interior, which is really gorgeous. So look at this, all new interior, small steering wheel, a lot of digital instruments and clusters, looking gorgeous. Let's start here. Materials really nice. This is all in leather, nice stitching that goes with the theme of the car throughout the whole car, but also with the dials. And yeah, well, the door pocket also pretty big. You have the carpeting inside. You are greeted with the Peugeot lettering here. And now without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. Okay, then starting with the wider view. New steering wheel, flat bottom, small one, like we are used to seeing on the Peugeot models. We have the i-cockpit, 3D cockpit in front of the driver, and the main touchscreen. Also the version in our video has got this touch panel as well. I believe if you go for the lower trims that you would get some buttons here. So yeah, a lot to choose from. I actually love this. The new infotainment system is really good and the touch is very responsive, so I will show you the whole infotainment system in a moment. But now let's change the view and see the rest of the details here. And underneath you have some buttons, some shortcuts for the vehicle settings. These are actually the functions, the safety systems. Here is for the AC. Now AC is on touch. So yeah, this is to adjust the air blower and this is to adjust the volume. For me, not the best one. Maybe I would love to see the buttons for that, but as I said, it's very responsive, so it won't be, you know, a big issue, especially when you learn how to use it. We also have additional buttons here: hazard lights, wireless charging pad, and here some, well, huge amount of room actually for the various things. 12-volt power supply, USB port, and we also have the new selector, gear selector for the automatic transmission, start engine button, roller here for the adjustable cup holders, electronic parking brake, and when you press this, you are greeted with additional storage room and USB port. The materials here are really top quality, and this is all nice with the stitching, as I already told you, goes with the rest of the theme and the stitching in the car. Glove box, carpeting inside, really nice. And now, well, let's check out the infotainment system. So the new Peugeot has got the all-new infotainment system. This is the home menu. As you can see, you always have those controls here on the home menu for adjusting the AC, the temperature. When you do this, you go into a different layout, have a bunch of menus available here. You can adjust all those. I will show you that in a moment, but let's go back to the home menu. And now if we press this, you go to settings, and now we have customization. For example, you can customize the display and the colors. Let's start with the display customization. Driver information. Now this is the digital cockpit, and you can change the views that you have on it. Look at this, view number 1, number 2, my favorite, with the navigation. Number 3, you have the car and the hybrid system, the energy flow and stuff like that. And well, yeah, this is the view with a bunch of information about driving, but also there is the 5th view. You can customize it yourself and see, you know, what do you like the most. But my personal favorite is this one. If we go back, you can see that we can also customize the touchscreen. So the central touchscreen, Team 1, Team 2 that we currently have, then Team 3. It's a lot to choose from, really. I will keep it the way it was with the Team 2. And let's go back. Those were the customizations for the display. You can change the screen colors as well. So look at this. Now we have the dials in different color. Let us move on. Connectivity, you can pair your phone with either Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. You can adjust the brightness. And here you have the lighting, adaptive lighting, automatic high beam and stuff like that. The settings for the vehicle. And you can also have the bigger screen like this, but I think this is better because now you can configure the things that you have on your left. Let's go back to the home menu. Navigation, let's check it out. So you can extend it here. Now we have the full screen, and we have the beautiful 3D shape of the buildings. Look at this. How cool is that? I will try to find the center of the city as well. Just a second. So here it is, to show you also the beautiful buildings here in the center of Zurich. There we go. And this will be so impressive, for example, during the drive, especially at night. And I can't wait to film the point of view drive. Stay tuned for that one. I hope in not too distant future, when the car arrives to Croatian market, where I'm from. And yeah, well, then you will see this car in action as well. Shortcuts are here: media, climate, navigation, phone connection, and mirror screen. So as I said, very responsive and easy to use. I think this is really good, and big improvement compared to the predecessor. Now if you press this, you also have the functions for the safety systems. Of course, this car is packed with technology. We have the blind spot alert, driver attention alert, traffic sign recognition, speed limit recognition, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic alert, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it when we talk about the infotainment system. Tell me in your comments, how do you like it? And yeah, well, in front of the driver, once again, the i-cockpit. And speaking about the small steering wheel, I am a big fan of it. I know some of you may say that you prefer the bigger one, but for me, I think this one is really nice, and it's nice to hold it and nice to drive with it. This car is also equipped with the focal sound system that has these special speakers in the A-pillars as well. Let me show you the sun visors, LED lights here. Press this for additional LEDs. And we also have the panoramic roof on this car. And now it is time to check out the rear bench. 2.73 meters is the wheelbase, and let's see this. Same pattern on the doors as on the front. And here, really decent amount of room. You have the special design of the seats so that your knees can fit in. The lovely view on the front. And now let me show you how much space I have for my head. And this is it. It's very dark here. So yeah, you see that I still have some room, and have in mind that we have the panoramic roof here, and without it I think you would have even more room. So yeah, I think I could travel here without any problems. And I forgot to mention that I'm 1.87 meters. Additional features here include the air vents, 2 USB ports, some little storage room, and the armrest with storage room and the cup holders. And now let's talk about the engine. So the model in our video is a plug-in hybrid, but there are a lot of options available for the customers. So you can choose between petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. I do love the fact that we have a lot to choose from in this model. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews. Also, I will do a review of the hatchback. Which one would you take? Tell me in your comments. And well, yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.